Let's talk Pixel. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard. And on this channel, I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And in today's video, let's talk about the Pixel 6 Pro. Now, I've had the device for about 3 months now, and I haven't really talked about it and my experience. I've done a lot of case reviews, accessory reviews, and stuff like that. But overall, my experience has been great. I haven't had a lot of issues like you guys are having out there. For those that are having the issues, doesn't mean that they're not real. And for those that are not having those issues, doesn't mean that you're lying or faking. You know, some people are experiencing certain issues and other people don't experience. In my experience, I really didn't experience that much of issues besides the app crashes at the beginning and a little bit of connectivity issues. Besides that, my fingerprint reader worked great. Everything else was pretty good. Yeah, Android 12 was buggy, but it wasn't a deal breaker. And I knew that it wasn't the Pixel 6 Pro or the Pixel 6, but it was a Android 12 issue. With that being said, in December, I did get the mid-November update that was supposed to fix the fingerprint issue everybody was having, and instead that actually broke my fingerprint. I started to have more inconsistent reads with that update than ever before. I was becoming a little annoyed with it, and I couldn't wait for the new update. I was pretty bummed when the December update got pushed back, but I understood that there was a lot of Android 12 issues that needed to be addressed, and it was going to take a little bit longer for them to address them. Therefore, I waited. I held back on making any videos because everybody and their mama was making videos about the updates and the issues and everything. Marcus Brownlee tweeted that he can no longer recommend the Google Pixel, and Google the next day releases the January update, which they said it was coming late January, which it came in mid-January, which is great. But I can clearly say that it fixed my fingerprint issue that I was having. My fingerprint reader unlocks just fine. I'm having no issues with it. The bug issues, I was having a lot. The PIP issue with YouTube where it would act funky. It'll continue to play, and there was nothing playing in the background. That actually got addressed and fixed. My little connectivity issues that I was having with Wi-Fi and both cellular, that got addressed and fixed. And it improved my battery life a little bit. I noticed that I'm getting better battery life now than I was before, probably because of the cellular issues that were addressed and repaired. Besides that, my experience with this device has been a great experience. I've been a Pixel fanboy since day one. My very first Android phone was the Galaxy Nexus, and I've had every Nexus since then, and I've had every Pixel since then as well. So I am a Pixel fanboy. I like the Pixel experience. I like what Google offers. I like the Google Assistant integration. I like everything about it. So therefore, for me, those issues were never a big issue for me. There's never been a perfect launch in any Pixel. There's always been bugs. There's always been certain issues here and there, bad camera, my issues or whatever. But you know what? I've always pushed through them. Google always has released a fix for them on a timely manner. Maybe not the fastest, but on a timely manner. But if you're a Pixel user or have been in the past, you know that your device gets better as it gets older instead of going backwards. Instead of getting worse as it gets older, the Pixel device actually gets better as it gets older due to the added features that Google gives you with these Pixel drops now, the continued support from them, and everything like that. But anyways, I just want to give you guys a quick update. The January update is fire. If you haven't downloaded, I strongly suggest you download it. I am going to do a more in-depth review. I like to take time with this device. The camera has been great. The display is great. Like I said, battery life is now starting to get good. So it makes no sense for me to drop a review right now. I want to see if this device is going to get better. So I'm super excited to see the updates that Google is going to provide to make this device better. And I will give you a review here soon. Let me spend some time more with this January update. Make sure nothing else got broken. It's a little bit too early to tell. It's been a couple days, but everything has been running very fluid. Everything's been fine. I absolutely recommend this device for anybody who's been a Pixel fanboy and has been waiting, or a Pixel fan who's been waiting to purchase this device because of the update or any issues that have been made publicly. I just recommend you go ahead and grab it now. It's usable. Most of the issues have been addressed and repaired and fixed. So I don't know. Let me know down in the comment section below if you were thinking about getting the Pixel 6. If you were thinking about getting it and you didn't get it because of all the issues you were having, or if you held back, are waiting to see what this update is going to do for the Pixel, and are thinking about getting it, or you had it, you sold it, or anything like that. Let me know what you guys think about the Pixel situation we're in down in the comment section below. Again, thanks for watching. This was just a quick update in regards to the January update. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.